Meaning of good-hearted.
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 Good-hearted. The term good-hearted refers to a person who is kind, caring and compassionate, with a genuine desire to help others. A good-hearted person is someone who embodies positive qualities such as empathy, generosity, and selflessness. They are not motivated by personal gain or ulterior motives but by a sincere desire to make a positive impact on the lives of those around them. Such people have a contagious positive energy that inspires others and makes the world a better place. Overall, being good-hearted is a valuable trait that enables one to spread happiness and kindness wherever they go.